Hi guys, welcome to Cloud Tech. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem which was asked in HCL Technology. It was a Java interview and the candidate had 2.5 years of experience working as a Java developer. So apart from Java, he was having knowledge about Spring Boot and REST APIs as well. And the current version or latest version which he had used in his project was Java8. Okay, so he was asked to solve a problem using Java8 features. Now, let me tell you, when he solved the problem statement, he was selected and he was offered a CTC of 8 LPA for 2.5 years of experience. Now, let me explain you what was the problem statement and how he solved it. So, he was asked to solve the problem statement by using Java 8 feature. He was provided a list of words and he had to find the frequency of each word in the list, okay, and print only those words which are having frequency more than 1, or it should be greater than or equal to 2. Okay, so he was asked to find the frequency of each word in the given list and print only those words which are having count greater than or equal to, and he had to solve this by using Java 8 features. Okay, so let us consider this is going to be the input list, and this list contains these many words. So if you see, AA has been occurred 2 times, right? Then BB has been occurred only 1, DD has been occurred 2 times, and CC has been occurred only 1 time. So I need to print only those words which are having frequency greater than or equal to 2. So if you see, AA and DD has been occurred 2 times, so I need to print AA and DD as output. Okay, now to implement this, let me show you how to do this by writing the code. So here you can see I have written a class frequency of words in list, and inside that I have written a main method which is going to be starting point for my program execution. Now what I will do, I will create a list of all the words. So I will make it as a list, and I'm going to import it from list java.util, and then it is going to be of type string because I need to store the words, and I will name it as a names equal to arrays.asList. I'm going to use this feature to create the list for the given words. So I will take these words from the problem statement and I will paste it as it is. Okay, now I got the list. Next thing what I need to do is I need to use Java8 features to find the frequency of each word and print only those words which are having frequency more than 2 or equal to 2. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use stream APIs. Okay, so to get stream out of this list, what I will do, I will use names.stream function. This will give me a stream for the given list. Then what I will do, I will try to filter those words which are having frequency more than once. So first thing what I will do, I will filter this list and I will take only those words which are having count more than 1 or greater than or equal to 2. So for that, I'm going to use filter function. That filter function will allow me to filter the list elements with a condition, and the condition is going to be we need to find the words which are having count greater than 1. Okay, so it is going to be, let me write the conditions such that word should have a frequency greater than 1. So I'm going to use a method which is available in collections framework. So it is going to be collections dot frequency. This method will allow me to find the frequency of each word in the given collection. So it accepts 2 parameters. First parameter is going to be the collections, and this collection is going to be my array list, and second parameter is going to be the word for which we want to find the frequency. So it is going to be this word. Okay, now I got all the words with this collections dot frequency, and next thing that I need to do, I need to check the count of word. If the count of word is greater than 1, that word I need to process. So I need to take or consider only those words whose count is greater than 1, and then I need to group them and count or print the frequency or print those words along with their frequency. Okay, so to collect the result set of grouping, I am going to use a collect method, and this collect method can accept collectors. Okay, so I'm going to use collectors dot grouping by function. This collectors dot grouping by function will allow me to group the result set with the words and their counts. Okay, so here collectors dot grouping by will allow me to group the words along with their frequency. Okay, and this takes two parameters. First parameter is going to be the word, and I need to provide that word. So here I'm going to use a function which is provided in Java8. Okay, so function dot identity is a function which is provided in Java8, and this function dot identity returns the input. So whatever you provide input, that will be your output. So the input parameter is going to be your result or output. So function dot identity, this function dot identity returns your input parameter as output. Okay, so this will be used as a word for this grouping by function. And the next thing which I need to use is I need to count the occurrences or frequency for that word. So for that, I'm going to use collectors dot counting function. This counting function will be used to count the frequency of this word. Okay, and this function dot identity is going to be my word. Okay, so this will return, this collectors dot grouping by method will return me a map, and that map is going to be a map of this word and count. So it is going to be a type of string and long. Okay, so I need to collect that. So I will write a variable here of type map, and this map is going to be a string comma long. Okay, and I will name it as a words count map. Okay, so what we did here, okay, so collections. So what we did, first thing, we had a list of all the words. Then we use string function to convert that list into a string. And then we used filter to filter the words which are having count greater than 1. And then we used collectors dot grouping by to collect the words. Okay, so we used collectors dot grouping by function to group the words along with their count. So this is going to be the word, and this collectors dot counting will give me the number of occurrences for that word. So it is going to be the count, and this will return the map of string comma long. So I will store that into one variable words count map, and now I need to print simply that map. So here I will write a state saying that words having count greater than or equal to, and I will print the words count map. Words count map. Okay, now let me run this program and show you the output. Okay, so here you can see words having count greater than or equal to 2, and we are getting the expected output. We got a DD because it has count more than 1, and then AA, it is also having count more than 1, which is 2. Okay, so that is about this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. That will motivate us to create more videos like this. Thank you guys. Bye bye.